We're back. Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? Good? Excellent. Today is Tuesday, April 14 of 2020. Now we're going to talk about math. On math, today we will draw 37 cents. En el día de hoy vamos a dibujar unas monedas, la cantidad de las monedas, y aprender y a platicar un poquito sobre las monedas. We're going to talk a little bit about coins. Then you're going to draw and label. Label means telling me the name of a shape that has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Me vas a dibujar y decirme qué figura tiene 3 lados y 3 vértices. Los vértices son las esquinas, los puntos de las esquinas. Then you're going to look for that shape around your house or your neighborhood, and you're going to write me how many things you see that has the same shape. Good? That's all we're doing today. Let's first go to the class. See you later. Now, we're going to talk about money. As you can see, we have a lot of coins around my board here because today we're talking about money. And we're going to review the names of the coins, the value of the coins, and the strategies that we need to do to find out how much money do we have. The first things first, we need to learn the names, the coin, and the value. The first name of the greatest coin that we have is the quarter. The quarter looks just like this. It's the biggest coin and it's quarter. The quarter's value has we can write it in 2 different ways. The quarter's value, we can call it 25 cents, or we can use the dollar sign and say $0.25. The next coin that we have is the dime. The dime is the smallest coin, but it's not the smallest value. The dime looks like this, like a baby quarter. The dime, the value of the dime, it's simple. It's only 10 cents. 10 centavos, 10 cents. If we use the dollar sign, goes like this. The dollar sign, $0.10. The next one that we have, it's the nickel. The nickel looks like this. Here we have 5 cents. So the value should write like this. 5 cents. And then we have in the dollar sign, we have the dollar, $0. And this is important. We need to write 2-digit numbers here on the cents. So it has to be 5 cents. Hay que escribir 2 números aquí, porque si yo lo hago así, if I do it this way, I will think this is 50 cents, and it's not 50 cents. It's 5 cents, $0.05. The last one that we have, it's the one that has a different color, and it's the smallest value. The last one that we have, we call it a penny. And the penny, the value is 1 cent. And on dollar sign, we go $0.01. Remember the 0.01. Okay? Because if I wrote, si yo le escribo el 1 aquí, if I write the 1 here, it will look like this. And it's not 10 cents. It's 1 cent. Again, we have quarter, 25 cents, $0.25. dime, this is the coin, 10 cents, $0.10. Nickel, this is the coin, 5 cents, $0.05. Penny, this is the coin, 1 cent, $0.01. Please remember this. This is going to be very, very important for you to learn the value of the coins. Good. Now, we're going to remind ourselves about strategies that we learn in school. Do you guys remember the strategy? Hairy money. Well, with hairy money, you can skip count coins, so it can be faster to count some coins. How many hairs does the quarter has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the dime has 1, 2. The nickel has 1. And the penny has a dot. Sí, para que se recuerden, cada pelito vale 5 y el puntito vale 1. So, for example, right here, let's see how many do we have here. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 cents. Then with the dime, this is 30, 35, 40. And with one dot, this is 41. Here we have a total of 41 cents. If you use hairy money, we have a total of 41 cents. Great. Next, let's find out a value of some coins. Good. Now, let's find this value. I'm gonna grab a few coins from right here. 1, 2, 3 random coins. 4, 5. Very good. Now, let's do one more of this. And I think we're good. This right here, we have here a quarter. I'm going to put them in order from the greatest to least in value. We have a quarter, 2 dimes, 2 nickel, and 1 penny. How many hairs does the quarter has? It has 5 hairs. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The dime has 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. The nickel has only 1 hair. 1, 1. And the penny a dot. Cuando yo hago así, esta estrategia me ayuda a contar más fácil. So a quarter has 5, pues cada pelo vale 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. El dime tengo 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, más un puntito es un centavo, sería 56. Here we have 56 cents. Ahora, yo quiero que usted, se me cae una moneda por aquí. Yo quiero que usted me consiga, o me dibujes, o consigas monedas que me den 37 centavos. O sea, $0 con 37. Yo quiero que ustedes me busquen este valor que está aquí. I want you to find me this value. Okay? You need to find me this in coins or draw me this in coins. Tienen que buscarme esto en monedas o dibujármelos en monedas. ¿Entendimos todos? Muy bien. Vamos ahora a pasar a la próxima parte. Now, on this part, we're going to talk about shapes. Here we have a few examples of some shapes that we're going to talk about now. We have a circle. We have over here, this has an hexagon, rectangle, octagon, square, pentagon, triangle. And we're going to talk about what is a shape. A shape is something that is two-dimensional. It's just plain, es plano. And this shape has sides and vertices. And we're going to talk about those words. Let's talk a little bit about those words right now. What is a side and what is a vertices? A shape in Spanish, we call it figura. Shape in Spanish, we say figura. Sides in Spanish, we say lados. Vertices, we say vértices or esquinas. So the vocabulary words are shape, sides, vertices. Figuras, lados y vértices o esquinas. Shape, figura, sides, lados, vértices, vértices o esquinas. A shape, una figura, son como la que vimos ahorita en los dibujos. Sides, lados, son los lados, como unas líneas que hace una figura. Cuando tú tienes líneas, son los lados de la figura. Como por ejemplo, si yo tengo aquí un cuadrado, yo tengo que dibujar los lados. Tengo 1, 2, 3, 4 lados del cuadrado. Pero en los vértices, under vertices, we have, on the square, los vértices son donde las esquinas se juntan. The vertices are where the corners of the sides meet. Where the sides meet, donde se encuentran los lados. Estos puntitos que están aquí son los vértices. These dots right here are the vertices. These are the corners. Again, the sides is just the line of the shape. And the vertices are the corners. Las líneas, los lados son las líneas de la figura. Los vértices son las esquinas de las figuras. Now, I'm going to read you not a word problem, but I'm going to read you something about shapes. And I want you to guess which shape I am talking about. So guess the shape. I have 3 sides. Remember the sides, las líneas. I have 3 sides and 3 vertices. My Halloween costume is a pizza. What am I? Think about it. I have 3 sides and 3 vertices. My Halloween costume is a pizza. What am I? So this shape is a shape that can look like a pizza because it has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Let's think about which shape could that be. ¿Cuál de estas figuras estoy hablando? Which one of these has 3 sides and 3 vertices? Look at all of this shape. So I want you to draw me that shape. Quiero que me dibujes la figura que dijimos ahorita. ¿Qué figura tiene 3 lados y 3 vértices? La vas a dibujar y le vas a escribir un nombre. You're going to draw and label a shape with 3 sides and 3 vertices. Then you're going to walk around your room or your house and find me other shapes that look like that one. Understood? Good. Good job, guys. So remember, which one of this, ¿cuál de esto has 3 sides? ¿Cuál tiene 3 lados? ¿Cuál tiene 3 vértices? Which one has 3 vertices? Me lo dibujas y me buscas cosas en tu casa que tenga esa figura. Muchas gracias. Nos vemos mañana. Adiós.